So today I'm going to be using yogurt and honey, and low. Did I just do that? Anyway, so today I'm going to be using yogurt and honey, and then at the same time, let me do it again. Hi everyone. So I'm very excited to take you guys through my deep conditioning routine. I normally deep condition on weekends or on days when I know I'm going to be free, because there's a lot of waiting and a lot of washing in between. Today I'm going to be using yogurt and honey, and I definitely want you guys to feel free to comment on the deep conditioners you use and how it works out for you guys, benefits, and if you feel this is worth it because of the effort that it takes. So yeah, let's do this. So I am back from the wash. So these are the results. Nothing too dramatic. What I do at this stage, I just put in a leave-in conditioner or a leave-in treatment. Then maybe I put an oil if I feel like it. Then I twist it, and that's how I literally sleep. So depending on the ingredients that I use for the deep conditioner, since today I just used yogurt and honey, I do not use shampoo. I just rinse it out. And this is what I also want us to include in the conversation later, because certain ingredients like eggs and maybe fermented rice water, you need to use a shampoo because of the smell, and also you need to see how concentrated the product is. So I'm so glad you guys joined me today. I'm just going to put in a leave-in conditioner and I'll be done. Feel free to like, subscribe, and like I told you, please comment so that we can get a conversation started on this. And yeah, let me just do that. And